Okay, let's take a quick unboxing of the JBL Tune Beam. As you can see, they're just here. Let's open up the box and see what comes in it. So we just open up the box just like that. Now again, I love the blue color as well. Now the JBL Tune Beam again are the mid-range of the JBL earbuds, the Choose Your Earbud range, which we spoke about earlier. So you're going to get a good mix in these. So there's the case. Again, you've got the JBL Pebble case as well. Again, not too heavy as well, nice and light. Comes with USB-C charging just there too. Pop open and have a look. So there are the earbuds just there. So you've got the charging indicator. You've got the magnetic case. So turn them upside down. They don't pop out, which guys, I think is really, really cool. So let's pop one out and look at it. So would you believe in this earbud just here, you're getting 12 hours of battery life on standard play, which is really, really incredible. And you're getting another 36 hours with the case too, charging, which is fantastic. Now these earbuds have 4 mics in them as well. So 4 mics enable you get to crystal clear calling as well. Use them on the phone. They're very clear to hear people, but also love the design. So these are the stick design, and these are probably my favorite because they have the silicone tips at the back. Now, silicone tips means it holds quite well in the ear, but also stops the noise coming from the outside. So the noise cancelling will work very well, the active noise cancelling with these. And on that point, we're going to go test out the active noise cancelling later. You're going to see how these have very, very good active noise cancelling. So they work very well. But there's a case there, but 48 hours battery life. It's probably among the top of the battery life I've had with JBL earbuds so far. Now, we've also got Bluetooth 5.3 and LE support. So it basically streams music with low power consumption. And you can actually do music independently in each earbud. So you can play music through that earbud, and you can play music through that earbud, which I think is really cool. And they also come with IP54 rating as well. So I'm going to test them out later, but you can use them at the gym, running around, and they won't take much at all. Let's go back and have a look at the case to see what else comes in it. So again, with JBL, you've got your standard USB-C charging there, and you've also got your instruction booklet, which is pretty standard for JBL. And you've also got your different ear tips that you can use if you want to use that. But the close stick design, I find really, really comfortable. I enjoy using these. So there they are there. Let's actually go and put these on now and show you guys how they fit.